Okay, today we're going to go over a quick video. I'm going to show y'all how to basically log in to the Mircom UDACT. At the 1225 North Loop West. It is April 23rd, 11:29. Right now I don't have anything loaded up. I'm USB to the UMIA, and here's our little dongle. Okay, we're going to go ahead and plug in. Here's our dialer, the UDACT. Top right hand port is where we plug in, and we have two jumper cables, or jumpers actually. We got y'all can see if I can zoom in. JW2 and JW1. The one we're going to be concerned with is JW2, top jumper. You have to jumper that out in order to communicate to your laptop. It will disable the UDACT. Okay, we got a red light basically, and we get a trouble light on the fire panel. It says city tie, reverse polarity, or UDACT trouble active. We just acknowledge that. And basically we're now tied into the laptop, which in turn we come to our laptop, and I've got the software here which says dialer configuration utility. What we're going to do is we're going to double click that. Okay, loads it up. We're going to make this bigger. And what you want to do first to make things easy for you, because you don't want to try modifying or configure anything, you want to do what's called get configuration. That's going to get the current configuration of the UDACT. Okay, it asks you for the name of the, I guess, user. We're going to leave it user, and the password is 4 ones. That's from the default for factory. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Come back and hit OK, and basically our connection is a serial port, so we're going to tell it OK, and it's getting everything from the UDACT. Okay, it's asking us for a name. Right now it says no name. Let's call it whatever the building address is. 1225 North Loop West. We'll give it a description. Mircom UDACT. And we just tell it okay. And we're basically done. We've captured the UDACT. Now, if it was a brand new UDACT coming out of the package, I still highly recommend you do the capture. Then you come over here to the dialer, and then basically you define phone number and everything else you're going to do. So you can see here what our phone number is that the UDACT line 1 or account 1 calls out, and the account number. Same thing here, it calls the same number, same account number, and both of these are set up for contact ID. We're using a dial tone, wait for dial tone, and I believe all we have to do is double click in order to change. If you saw, I just double click on the phone number. When you double click on the phone number, it pops up a window, and this is where you would define your account number, phone number, then the actual reporting types. It's limited to 3. And here's account number 2. Basically you can make your changes, and all of this. We basically tell it okay, and this is what you would do when you had a new UDACT. Once you double clicked it, you defined your account number, your phone numbers, you tell it okay, then you would basically tell it to send, let's see here, back into the panel. So you would go panel, get send configuration. Once you do the send configuration, it would send the information that you just updated. One of the other things me and Another guy noticed, if the phone lines are reverse polarity while you're engaged in this SW, or actually JW2, the top one, if it's engaged like this, it won't tell you reverse polarity on the phone lines. The minute you disconnect, if you have reverse polarity, you would have a red light like that. And it also goes red when it's active and talking to central station. But you can also program it from the keypad up front, but you will need a item called the CFG 300, I believe, which is a LCD display so you can see what you're doing. But it's a lot easier to do from the laptop, as you just saw. Once you're done and you pull out that jumper cable, now the UDACT goes active and online. Hope this helped out.